All right, guys, you know what time it is. It's time for the market makers to make it bounce. Let's see if Bitcoin can bounce from here in 3, 2, 1. A bingo and a bango. Make it bounce.
We in the charts again. Support line looks like it's holding. Market makers, make it bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce. Make it bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce. Late night sessions, eyes glued to the screen. Charts looking heavy, but we move like a machine. Candles playing tricks, yeah, they trap the whole crowd. Wick hitting the lows, portfolio getting plowed. Liquidity pockets, that's where they hunt. Fake breakdown stops, getting hit, eating your lunch. Market makers be sneaky just like a mouse. Traders just looking for that bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Wrist tight, stop loss, snug, protect the bag, don't get rug, greed to get you wrecked, that's facts, no doubt, take them profits, that's what this game's about. Market makers make it bounce, support level, get respect, now we pounce, hold a level, this is where it counts, market makers make it bounce, 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 don't freeze when it drops, just glance, see the zone, that's our chance. Take your profit, don't trade with greed, or else your portfolio will surely bleed. Market makers target stops, taking retails lunch, then pump it high like a savage punch. Double bottom looking like a bounce. No disguise, candle close after retesting. The breakout is our prize. Volume spike, that's your cue. Ride it clean, take what's due. Smart money flows where the weak get shook. We be reading the charts, they be reading the book. Don't pray for luck, that's a clown's route. Traders joining groups, do the mentors know what they talking about. If you ain't got a stop loss, you already lost. Risk small, think big, calculate that cost. Support ain't a guess, it's a level of defense. Bounce plays paid when your logic makes sense. Market makers make it bounce. Support level, get respect, now we pound. Squeeze the villain, patience the crown. Market makers play, they run the town. But when you learn their game, announce price finding the support level now, make it bounce. Market makers make it bounce. Price hit low and renounce. Take them profits, no remorse. Move like a shark, stay on course. Market makers make it bounce. Watch that wig, no flounce. Stay disciplined, stay profound. Market makers make it bounce. Charts tell stories, emotions scream loud. The wise stay patient, the greedy heads in the clouds. Market makers be sneaky like a mouse, while traders looking for that bounce. Market makers make it bounce.
That's right, guys. Market makers make it bounce. Let's go. We got the CCM raid coming in, and I greatly appreciate it. We just were over there. Crypto coin mindset. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Now bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you so much for smashing the like. You guys are the best. You are. And you're my favorite. Not the one next to you or behind you. You are my favorite. All right. We got Chris in the house. Thank you. Chris was first. Thank you so much. So CCM, what I do is I just bring this out because I have the same issue. The very first chats, I can't see them, or rather I can't put them up like this. So what I do is I just pop it out, and so that's what I do. Chris, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you greatly. We got Steve in the house. Thank you so much. A bingo and a bango. This is a bonus stream, guys. A bonus stream. Normally we go live every single day now at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard, but this is a bonus stream. So the bonus streams are generally 30 minutes to maybe an hour, depending on if we have coins to review, if you want trade setups, if you have questions, that's what that is. Let's see here. Lil Castle says, a bonus stream, a perfect. I love it. I love it. Very nice. Let me see if that's up yet. Not yet. Okay. And let's go down the list. We got CCM Raid. I appreciate you. Thank you, Shuby, for being here. CCM himself. Thank you, my man. Appreciate you. Mike in the house. Not a problem, Mike. It didn't show up. So let's see. Got Dave P in the house. Thank you very much. See here, going down the list. I believe we're all caught up and liking the music. back in the music. And yes, we are caught up now. So let me go and just delete that. All right, very good. Let's see here. Going down the list, make sure I don't see any questions at the moment. And I do need to get working on that night bot or whatever it's called, because that is really funny. 94% chance there's going to be story time. I like it. All right, let's see here. Going down the list. And if you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know as well. I appreciate you greatly. All right, very good. So we're looking at the crypto bubbles on the daily. Oh my gosh, Aster down. What? Come on already. Like, these coins, they show potential areas of, going up, and then 10% Pingu, 19% Aster, 10% Bonk. All these are down. Oh my gosh. Let's go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly, because Bitcoin is going up, these coins are now starting to go up. Which reminds me, I think we just got out of Dash. We can check that one in a little bit. But we actually entered that. I don't know if this was, I think it's just for, oh man. I don't know if this was for our only VIP or if this was one that I gave for the YouTube. We'll find that. We'll figure it out in a second. Altcoin season index, we're at 31. Yesterday, 33. Last week, 30. Last month, 67. Yep. Let's go ahead and refresh this one more time for good luck. This is on the 24-hour. You can see that right here. Lots of liquidations up to the top. Lots of them. So does that mean that we're going to go up? Not really. We could go down before going up, but since we're here, why not just take it? Right now, we just took $45 million, sitting at 106.8. We have another 41 million sitting at 107.2, and then 34 million at 107.5. So nice amount of liquidations to the upside, just because everybody was going short. Now, as the price goes up, we will create liquidation levels to the downside. As the price comes down, we create liquidation levels toward the upside. And that's how it goes. So for all you liquidity traders out there, just know there's liquidity towards the up and towards the down. It just depends if we break a level, if we're going to potentially go to those areas. Now, just because we break the level, and I say this all the time, because I don't want you guys getting wrecked, just because we break a level, that does not mean we're going to come up here. The closer we get, the higher likelihood we are to touch it, but it doesn't mean that we will. And there's a lot of people out there that say, oh, we're breaking this level, we're going here. We break the level, and the closer we get, the higher, it just kind of makes sense, But there's a lot of people that speak in definite or absolutes, where it will do something, it has to do this, it will go here because of X or Y or Z or X, Y, and Z. But price can do whatever it wants. And we see that time and time again. So my main thing is just to protect you guys. That's what I do. Sometimes people don't agree with it, but it is what it is. So here we were looking at Clash. Clash was pretty much kind of doing nothing for a while now. We did not want it to break this level right around 0.05321. And sure enough, it did. Then it got rejected on that level, came down, got rejected again. We don't want it breaking this level. Breaks this level, it's showing weakness. We want it to start breaking this level so we can eventually start breaking the levels to the top side. What happens? Coming down. And this one, we kind of talked about it over here too. Maybe losing its steam, maybe, it's done. But because of George, well, boom, goes up. So could we be doing this? This right here would be a nice area right about here. We talked about this here too, where it could come down and take some of this. This right here, this yellow line would be a really nice area for it to bounce. 0.03320. Story time. I love it. Man, it's cold. Should be in my jacket. It's getting cold in here, guys. It's getting cold in here. Let me see. Can I do this without knocking over everything? Possible. Okay. Ooh, man. Much better. Okay. Very good. So we're looking at, I was going to push up my glasses. For those of you who don't know, I wear glasses. They're clear lenses. I just use them to look smart. I should probably do that for the for the streaming. Maybe I get more people go, oh man, this guy's smart. Maybe not. Maybe. We'll see. All right, moving on. So here I would like to see the bounce pretty much right where it's at. Maybe a little bit lower for a bounce, and then start making a pivot to the upside. But we'll see on that. Anything else on this? I don't see anything else. Let us go to this. All right. So here we go. Let's see here. Let's see, can we look at Sol? Yeah, definitely. Any other coins, guys? Let me know. So we're gonna look at Sol, and this is for Chris. Okay. Crypto Coin Mindset says, I would like to hear about Dash, I'm guessing. So we can look at Dash as well. Dash, CCM. Okay, we have Crypto Changed Me in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Again, this is a bonus stream. Our normal streams from here on out are 9 p.m. Eastern Standard, but this is a bonus stream. And tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'll do a bonus stream or not. I'm pretty sure I won't. If I do, it'll be early, like maybe 8 or 9, but I doubt it though. Next day, Wednesday, I'll do another bonus stream at 12 after CCM's show. So I'll be on CCM, Crypto Coin Mindset, at 11 a.m. on Wednesday. And then 12 o'clock, I'll be doing my bonus stream for sure. All right, God willing. Let's see, Mike says, is 101,350 the bounce area if we drop further? Let's see. So my bounce areas right here, 105.5. Then we have 103.7. But if more time goes, well, then it'll be 103.9. So it just depends on where we are when we get there. Last cycle, high to high, wick to wick, candle body to candle body. So we can see that right here. Wick to wick, candle body. Then we have this dotted line, which is kind of internal structure for this. And all these lines, like they're very important, and you can see them getting respected. Very important. Now, granted, I don't have a whole bunch of lines. I see some YouTubers that have line, trend line. And it's like, did it find support? Did it meet resistance? These here are very important, and we can see them respecting. So if we do get a bounce here, I would like to see this bounce. However, what we need to concentrate on when it does bounce or get rejected in an area, what does it do next? And this is the part that I don't like, because now we got to wait. And when the price was here, we did this one a few days ago, I think Thursday, whatever the 30th was. Yeah, Thursday, because Friday was Halloween, I believe. When the price was here, Thursday, I'm thinking, come up, to maybe come down. Again, I don't know. And then maybe do this number. Sure enough, it went up to the route right on the area I'm thinking. Now, yesterday, since we were kind of going sideways, and we didn't, go up and then come down, we're kind of going sideways. I'm thinking, well, we might get a little bit of a bump for Monday, maybe. If so, this is what I'm looking for. And if we do a pivot here, we don't want to break the pivot. If we do, that's not good. If we come up here, we don't want to enter a long or start thinking everything's bullish because it broke this level or this level. We're really close. We want to break the newly created pivot because now it's moving, and we want to break that. We want to show that the momentum is still there. And then this is, yes. But these are the levels that I was looking for. Unfortunately, this continued the Thursday thought process where we came up, come down, maybe bounce here. We can see that maybe bounce currently. I would like to see the pivot. And then once it does a pivot, now we can see, okay, well, now it's gonna, it's just wrecking people. That's all it's doing. Wrecking the longs, wrecking the shorts. So now what could potentially happen, if the market makers are jerks, and they are, where the price could, it could do this number, which we thought about already, or just to be jerks, something like this. Just to be jerks. And we'll do this one in blue. Oh no, we'll do this one in a different color. Now we just have to wait. We have to wait and see, is this potentially going to happen or is this? And again, nobody knows what's going to happen. Let's look at some indicators, see if we can find something. Let's see, let me check out the chat real quick. Chris says, you're smart without the glasses, Joe. Not really. Okay, I kind of am. Man, there's sometimes where I'll go to the store or whatever, and man, I feel really, really smart. Just saying. I was like, wow. But anyway, see here. Going on the list. Virtuals, yeah, definitely, man. We will do virtuals. I feel so, man, I kick myself in the butt every time, you know, I think about virtuals or somebody mentions virtuals, like, man, looking at it, I was looking for like a 18% drawback, and then we would have gotten in, and then it just exploded, like literally the next day. And I've been watching it for like a week. Chris says, AVAX, yeah, definitely. So AVAX, Chris. Okay, going on the list. Okay, let's see here. XPL, and this is for crypto change me. Very nice. Okay, so that is all for the request. We do have 5 that we're gonna be doing. That's all for the request. If there's any others, please consider doing a donation. 1, it helps support the channel, and 2, it'll make the stream a little bit longer because we'll do another one. All right, so let's go and get started, guys. Let's get to work. What are things going to happen right here? We just got to wait. We got to wait and see, you know, are we going to continue doing this number or coming down? For me personally, let's go to a 15 minute. Oh yeah, we were looking at the indicators. So I don't see any divergence. I like looking for divergence on, so we do have divergence here. We have a low, we have a higher low. We have a low and a lower low. So potentially a bounce. The only thing with divergence, we don't know if it's going to go to $1 million or just increase by 5. We don't know. He's just saying that there's a chance that it may go up. And if it does, again, this could be all of it and then it just dumps. But just let you know. We also have divergence on the RSI. I normally don't look at this. Low, high, low, low. Okay. Let's see here. That's on the 4-hour time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, no divergence. We do have the bullish crossing of this, which is a buy signal. But you know, people use it. The higher time frames it's good, like on a weekly, on a higher time frame. But let's look at. But what I'm doing now is I'm looking at the candle sizes. They look okay. Market makers were hard at work right here, pushing it down. See this red candle? And then said, "No, just plain. Let's push it up. Let's push it up some more." Right now, it's kind of hard to tell. We do need to figure this out, though, to determine what our thought process is going to be for the other coins. I wouldn't be mad if it came down then came up. So my thought process still stays the same, you know. Oh, wait a minute. No, because we're here now. So we could be looking at either a rollover right now, and this is a smaller time frame. That's why there's more lines. Maybe something like this. Which would this would be this part right here. This part. Because we're doing this right now. But if we break this, then we'll do this part. Maybe. I hope this makes sense. I hope it's not too wishy-washy for y'all. But again, we don't know what's going to happen. We have to wait to see, because if it starts doing this, what it's doing, it's breaking these lows. And then hopefully it, you know, more than likely break this because we try to bounce. But if it breaks this right here, well then, okay, we may go up and just wreck all the people who are shorting. So yeah, we got to wait on that. Okay. So let us look at, see here, Solana. We looked at Solana yesterday. And Solana, did we do a setup on this? No, I think we're just teaching. No, because when we're talking about potential. Oh, this is where I would have put my stop loss. I got stopped out. This is all just teaching. Yeah, I think it's just teaching. Let's see. Let's just review these really quick. So AVAX, wow. I really thought that here we were going to go up. I saw it like here. And so the thinking we could do something like this, you know, maybe come up to maybe this area, then come down. But if it does come down here, we're looking for the bottom of the range to maybe trade the range before potentially going up. That's what this is showing here. And then earlier today, I saw it here. I was like, oh, okay, cool. You know, we're at the bottom of the range. I'm glad I didn't enter it. But we're at the bottom of the range. But for me, what I would like to see is the break of this level because, well, it's resistance. Could I have entered here? Sure. Just higher risk, you know, trying to catch the bottom. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. Where are my range traders at? Yeah. Make a YouTube video on this one, huh? Yeah. Joe, you're sour. No, it's just all these range traders, you know, they show you after the fact. And here, this is a beautiful range. This is a beautiful range. Price is right here. Why? Yeah. And then get stopped out. Anyway. Wow. I'm surprised at this right here. Let's go to CAS. So we're looking at CAS and we're looking for the break of this in the 3-minute time frame. That did not happen. Instead, oof, man. I'm glad I had a stop loss. Oh, did I put a stop loss in this? I think yesterday I didn't have a stop loss. And then at the end of the show, I think I just closed out the trade. I'm glad too. I would have been liquidated. Oh my gosh. This one, OMG. This one did really nice. We gave this one on YouTube. And again, we win and we lose. Like, I'm not trying to sell you anything. We win and we lose. This one did really, really nice. I don't know if I'm still in this one or not. I think I am. I think I have my stop loss right here. I think I updated the group too. Let me see if I can take some more profit. Chiba. Yeah, I'm still in this one. I mean, it was a lot more. I don't look at these though. Like, I don't look at my trades. So right now, this is what it is right now. Let me just take some more profit real quick. Profits. Yeah, that's the bad part as far as like what I do is I don't see here 0.1234 5. I guess it's 9 4 1. One second. Freaking kidding me? So I got my take profit, all the zeros, 9 4, no. 9364, I guess. And my stop loss is right here. So we're in profit. Nice profit. Okay, moving on. For our coin, we lost. We're gonna look at your coins in just a second. For our coin, we lost. I thought it was gonna do good. I think that's it. Oh, virtuals. Okay, but let's come over here. Let's do Sol. So right now we're looking at Sol. Man, I really want it to go up. I really do. Let's throw away 22 drawings. I want it to go up. And with Bitcoin, if we do get this little pump, I guess, then more than likely it'll take these alts with it. Okay. Go 15 minutes. Let me catch up in the chat. Okay, so we'll do that one for you. Oh, is the food stamps? Is that what you're referring to? Did the food stamps stop or something? Like, you can't do that. You can't stop food stamps. Like, that's how they eat. I heard about, hey, we got Crypto Princess. Hey, do I even have your thing? Let me see if I can have it. Crypto Princess. Here it is. Uh-oh, I'm out of practice. Bob and weave, bob and weave, bob and weave. This is more difficult than you think, guys. Bob and weave. You're the best. You're the best. Let's see here. Let's see here. Grant in the house. What's up, Grant? What's going on, man? Okay, virtual's pumping. Let's just look at this. Let's go this way. I gotta concentrate. All right, so we're looking at a 15-minute time frame. 4 hour. Nice little dump right here into this little potential bounce zone. And Bitcoin is doing the up portion at the moment. Now, you know, expect it to come down. You know, like it's not going to go straight up. It's going to come down and go up, all that fun stuff. For Sol, if we have a pullback right around now, maybe to here. Up, down, and just fake everybody out. What's the percentage? Man, I really want to go long. But these, like all these trades, they're all just like scalp trades. You know, a few hours, maybe a day or two, maybe just a day. Because then Bitcoin could reverse again. And then all these coins get hurt. Like, man, these coins are bleeding. I don't know how they can bleed anymore. Man, like they'll go up 10, 15%, sure. And then for the week, for it coming down, it's like 40, 30, 40%. And then they'll go up 18%. Everybody gets super happy. Then it goes down 25%. So these we just got to be real careful on. So this is what I see. Potentially. With the stop loss of about 4%. I don't know. But these are, like, for me, these are too dangerous. Joe, you're just a scaredy cat. I don't like catching the, like, I don't like catching the bottoms is great. Great bragging rights. But for me personally, I would rather buy up here, because what it's doing is it showed that it went up, broke this resistance, and then broke out of it. What's the percentage? About 5%. I'd wait 5%. It's ready to enter. Knowing that potentially, if we come down, this is a nice support area for us. So let's just say we come all the way down here. Because this is kind of weak, but this is a stronger area just due to, oh, I said due to, Joe, grow up, because of all this right. Due to, not due to, but okay, about here, because it's in our next little level. Too risky. Now, granted, Sol is a safer coin to trade, but right now it's just too risky for me. I'm a little scaredy cat. Everything looks like a good long. Yep, that's why I'm still bearish. Yep, I'm holding my shorts. Yeah. And that's so true too, because like these coins, because they've come down so much already. I mean, just think about it. What goes down is going to come up. What's going to go up is going to come down. It's just a matter of time. And it just depends on the more ups or the more downs. And like all these coins, for example, SOL. Like what happened to SOL? You know, we had this Friday issue, then we went up, then we went down. Took it all back. Then we went up, then we went down. Took it all back. Then we went up, then we went down. Took it all back. Then we went sideways. Then people who were like, you know, okay, this is the bottom. Like, I'm going to call the bottom, et cetera, et cetera. Like, let me just get in the trade. And then boom, again. So everything that it's giving us is taken away. Eventually, it's going to give and give. But for me, I want to be on the safer portion of the spectrum. Could you do here? Sure. Too risky for me. So I'll leave it at that. Sorry, Chris. Let's do Dash for CCM. Let's do some Dash. Here's the Dash. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. This is our VIP call. Holy smokes. Man. Our first target didn't even hit. I lost a good chunk on that one. Also 3x. Let me explain what happened here. Well, you see, I have a checking and a savings account. Who knows that reference? Let me know. Put who says that. I have a checking and a savings account. So here, the reason I was looking for a short is because it went up so much. Now, granted, these, you know, sometimes the FOMO continues, Exhibit A, and you can get stopped out, Exhibit B. And the retrace could just be, you know, to a good, you know, 38%. If it's very bullish, 23%, Exhibit C. Now, and this is one thing that I mentioned quite a bit. When we have the retracement, let's kind of zoom out. I believe this was like 100 and something percent gain, I believe. If not, you can just double check. But then we had this really small retracement, and you know, on all the videos I mentioned that what I would like to see is a retrace to the 382 level minimum. 382. Come on. The 382 level, which is right here. And the 0.5 is great. But if we bounce off of the 236 level, that's because like it's just the FOMO's kicking in. People aren't letting it go down. And that's exactly what happened here. And matter of fact, I think I did an updated video here when the price was here. I believe I did an updated video in reference to this potential. I believe so. Oh man, that hurt me because I did the aggressive entry. And I think my higher entry hit too. And this morning, I forgot to cancel my higher entry because what I want to see, the higher entry is good only if the price from here comes up. But if the price does this number and then comes up to this, I don't want to see that. I wanted to see this entry here. So that higher entry should have been canceled. Oh man. Oh, so let's look at Dash over here. Dash. Would I go long on Dash? No. We were talking about Dash way over here. Lower entries did hit. So we had the lower entry here, lower entry here. This is our entry, 7% lower entry. When the price was here, we're doing another lower entry. That didn't hit. It just continued going up, and it really hasn't stopped. You know, it went up, it took it all back, took away all their gains. Let's take this off. Let's put a bigger time frame. Went, pumped, gave it all up, pumped, took it mostly back, pumped, and then here, you know, looking for a short if it breaks this level. He said, nope, let's break this level. Boom, moon mission. And then moon mission again. Would I buy right now? Definitely not. If I'm DCAing, would I DCA right now? Nope. I'd wait about a week. Hopefully it pulls back. If it continues going up further and then pulls back, well then that's what it is. But right now it's just moved way too much. If I was going to DCA, I would hold off. It's already pumped 162%. I'd definitely wait. But yeah, CCM, he loves Dash. He's been talking about Dash for years and years and years. And it's making some moves. And this is the power of DCA, dollar cost average. Not trading, just investing. And he's doing really great on that. So good for you. Yeah, for me and the VIP group, that hurt. I was looking for at least nothing big, you know, 382, 0.5. That's it, you know, the 15%. Give it to us. You know, let's get a little 3x leverage on that bad boy, and boop. Stop. Again, I'll show you the wins and the losses. The wins and the losses. Let's see here. Let's go to. So that was for CCM. Let's do Mike with virtuals. So this is virtuals. Ooh. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So on virtuals, when the price was here, I'm thinking we're going to come down to 382, come up, and it just moved. Let's come over here to this. Let's do virtuals. Okay, so here my thought process. Price is here. I'm thinking we may come up and then roll over. Instead, we came up to this area, came down, and then boom, broke this level. Came all the way up, and now coming down. Let's go and delete all this. 20 drawings. Let's do our level. I actually like this level more. We have can't stops. And then here we can do like a little zone. From here to here. I don't think this will happen, but for the pattern traders out there, they may see a shoulder, a head, and then a shoulder. And then like all this would be really nice. But we don't see that. Okay. For me, my main area is this as far as getting rejected. Let's go 15 minutes. Nice little double bottom. What's the percentage? Six percent. I'd have to do, and I'm okay with not catching the bottoms. I mentioned that before, just to be safer, and especially with this chop that we have at times, it's best just to be safe. Because what could happen here, we could go up a little bit more. You know, the market cap on this is about $1 billion. Come down to about here. Come up. Then do something like this. Now, granted, this is a huge move, but for me, look at this. I want to watch a movie today, guys. What movie should I watch? I want to watch a movie. Give me names of movies. Good movies. What movies do I like? I don't like scary movies. I don't like scary movies. I like funny. I like adventure. I like action. I like all that stuff. I want to watch a movie. Let's see here. Let me break this up. Crypto Change Me says, privacy coins, that's where the narrative is. We just need to find one that hasn't pumped. Very true. So I see this, and then I see another zone. So this is more like a range. Scared money doesn't make any money, guys. Just to let you know. I don't like Adam Sandler. I used to like him, but all his movies are the same. Like all of them. Like the first one he did, man, I liked it. It was funny. All the characters. Then the second one, I liked it. It was funny. All the characters. Then the third one, it was the same as the first and the second. And the fourth one was the same as the first and second. The fifth one, it's just all the same. It's literally the same thing. Man, trying to think on this one. Wait a minute. Meet the Fuckers. That's a funny movie. I do like that. Wild Women 2. Not sure if I can watch that. I got parental things on my computer. Let's see here. They just have a new Jurassic Park streaming. I think I have Peacock. I haven't seen the new Jurassic Park. Man, what's the one where he's the devil's kid or whatever? And he's all talking dumb. I've never seen that movie. And then one day I was so bored, I was like, let me watch. And then I clicked it on. Man, I couldn't even do 5 minutes of it. I couldn't. I said, just 5 minutes. And it's like, oh man, I got 4 minutes left. Just 5 minutes, Joe. Just say you save 5 minutes. And I think on the 3 minute mark, I was like, I can't take it. I think I got dumber. Can't take it. Forward. I mean, it looks like it wants to go up. It just wasn't going to do here. You know what? Hold on. Wait a minute. How does this? I like that. This one I can't have a big or a large leverage. So let's go 4 hour. Stop loss. I think, oh my gosh. And this moves that much too. Yeah, 20%. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna go long on this. I recommend just doing a regular spot trade. Broke this level. I wouldn't mind if it pulled back. Came up. I don't like it, but I can't see. Oh man, I can't do it. Oh, let me put a little less than that. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Okay, I'll put my over here. Or is it? Let me see. What movies are you ever talking about? Marvel movies. Yeah, I'm not sure which one to watch. Okay. Again, I would think that it would pull back to maybe here. Continue up. I did put some in right now, just in case. It looks good though. Looks good. My first thought was like, okay, it looks good. Then I looked at it more. It's like, I don't know, it could. But then looking at it again, zooming out, the daily especially, the daily helped me out. It's like, well, there's other coins that have gone sideways, up, pull back a little bit, and then up, and then pull back, and then up some more. So, you see if this one does it too. But yeah, but the stop loss, you're looking at like a 22% stop loss, which is horrible. But these can also move though. And there's been quite a few times where the stop loss is just so bad, I don't get in. I check them like 3-4 days later, and they're up 40%. It's like, come on, man. But yeah, that one's good. Let's go AVAX for Chris. No, let's do Crypto Change Me XPO, and then we'll do AVAX. Just not even like looking at it. But now let's look at it daily. We haven't looked at this one in a long time. We're way over here. Oof, man. It came down hard. It's a good market cap too. We're right here. Thinking, we come down to come up. We came down, continued. We made money on this one though. I remember trading this one. Oh, was it for a short? No, I think we rolled this up. After it already moved and it started going, I think we rolled this up. And then I think we were trying to trade it again. Anyway, let's go ahead and take it. Looks dead. People have been talking about this though. Okay, so let's see here. Can I change my coin from XPL to secret? Please, it's perfect coin. Okay. Yeah, I haven't looked at that coin in a couple years. USDT. Let's go Mexi. There you go. I like it. I'm pretty sure it's a low market cap coin. We have pumps and then dumps, pumps and dumps. Looks good. So be careful. I think this is a low market cap coin. Let's go secrets. 59 million. So this could move fast up or down. So just be very careful. Like something like this, I would not have leverage on. If I did, it's like a 2x. If I was going to short 1x, because I have the ability to do a 1x. And as far as it coming down, it was just like 15% from here to here. Oh, bingo bango, guys. And I didn't even look to see when I brought it down at 14%. I just brought it right down there. Bingo bangles, guys. Bingo bangles in the chat. Bingo and a bangos. Telling you. Now, thank you for everybody smashing like. You guys are the best. Bring this up again. Yeah, so I wouldn't, pulling back 15% because, and the reason I knew this, well, I thought this is about 15% where I was going to pull it to, just because of the market cap. On other coins, this would be like 3%, 2%. So just be very careful. It could pull back easy 15%. You would like 30%. Like, I would not be mad if it came down here about 12% coming up. What we want to do is we want to see the break of this level. Break of the level, potentially do that number. But one thing that we don't want to do is we don't want to have, so, and here's the thing too, like with low market cap coins, you don't want to put a lot of money in it. Let's say you wanted to do a privacy coin, you want to put 10 grand, 5 grand, $50, whatever it is. But let's just say you had bigger money and you want to put 10 grand. Well, because of the low market cap, not only that, but you also have to look at the order book. I have a video that talks about all this. It's called 3 Secrets or Order Book or something. I don't even know. Joe, how can you do that? You don't even know your. I keep on saying I need to rename it, but I never do. But there is a video that talks about that. Maybe I put order book, order, hit enter, right here. I did rename it. So this is a very important video, guys. You have to watch this video. Let's go ahead and share it. Because if you have, let's say you have $100, but you're on an exchange that has very low volume and you don't know how to read the order books, and you put the whole 100 in there, you could be the reason why the coin pumped 15%. Just to let you know. There's a lot of traders out there that they will, post on X, and they'll post like the market cap is like a $2 million coin, and they'll post like insane results like, hey guys, the last time we did this, we got 400%. That's because he's getting all his cronies to buy the freaking coin that has very low market cap. Anyway, like I said, man, I call these people out. And if you don't know, like you won't know until somebody explains it to you. But yeah, but this one, I like it. I like it a lot. This has a nice potential. It's a secret coin. It's a privacy coin. And it can move. We see it here. Doing nothing. And then boop. And just people taking profits. I like it. I like it a lot. A bingo bango. Bingo and a bango. I need to watch a movie too. And I might do the new Jurassic Park. I haven't seen the movies on Peacock. I've only seen like a very few. And what's funny is like I'll be searching for a movie, and then of course, because I want to see it, Amazon Prime has it for sale and YouTube has it for sale. I was like, oh no, never mind. Or I'll buy it like a dummy. Sometimes I'll rent it or I'll buy it. And then like 2 weeks later, I've seen some like a week later, where now it's available for free. It's like, seriously? Thanks, Amazon. Thanks, YouTube. Hey, we got Road Dog in the house. What's up, Road Dog? Everyone enjoying this Q4 life-changing money so far? Yeah, man. Dude, it sucks, man. I was supposed to be a millionaire, if not a millionaire, really close to a millionaire. Thanks to our buddy, well, my buddy. And I say my buddy in case you don't like him. But I'm supposed to be really close to be a millionaire right now. Right now. Instead, I'm counting how many ramens I have left that are shrimp flavor. Because I be eating the shrimp flavor all the time. Ouch, too soon? Let's see here. But this one, I do like it. I do like it. Let's do AVAX. That's going to be the last one for Chris. AVAX. Go sources. Let's go Blowpin. There we go. And once again, we do our live streams. Our new time is at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. And this right now is a bonus stream. I'm going to do another bonus stream on Wednesday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard, right after CCM's channel, because we're there every Monday and Wednesday at 11 a.m. If my schedule gets too busy, sometimes I don't show up, but he still has great content. That's at 11 a.m. Monday, Wednesday, Eastern time. And then after that, we come over here and we do my stream. All right. Let's see. Hey, we got the Real Wave Cypher in the house. What's up, man? Dude, you seriously need to change your settings so that I could forward to you. I'm starting to do my streams at 9 p.m. And once I finish with mine, if you're still on, or if you just, get on, then I can put my people to you. So you need to do that. It's in your settings. I forget where it's at, but you need to do that. But, yeah, we're going to do to you last night. We ended up going to Road Dogs. And I alternate. I'll do Lunar Beaches Crypto, Road Dog, Blockchain Brew. And then if you do it, then we can do to you as well. So give you a tip. All right. Let's see here. But yeah, the Real Wave, the market cipher, Wave Cipher, real good trader as well. Same thing with Road Dog. Like all these guys are real good traders. Believe me, if they weren't, I would let you know. And I would let you know, especially with them in here, because that's what I do. I'll tell you to your face if you're a good trader or not. And I can spot traders. Real traders can spot traders. Real traders can also spot phonies too. There's a lot of phonies out there. A lot of phonies. Crypto Lux says, hey Joe, it's me. Oh, hey, what's going on, man? New account. Free from mob. Oh, nice. Really crypto. Very nice. Need to get some good trades from you to help me sell this boat. Let's go, man. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. So AVAX, we're looking at this. Oh yeah, we talked about this one earlier. So this is my thought process. I was really surprised that it came down. I thought for sure that we're going to go in the bottom of the range. So this is when I said, where are my range traders at? Because they'll show you ranges using that replay button or after it happened, and they'll tell you how you could have made money or what you should have done. But, when it's in the moment, well, that's when sometimes they don't say what they say. And it's so funny too, like on the YouTube shorts, where it's like, I'm going to show you how to make money, $2,000 a day. And then they're using the replay. What you want to do is you want to short this area because of whatever, and blah, blah, blah. And look, we made $2,000, bing, 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 $2,000. Join my course. Blah. It's like, yeah, replays are easy to do. Shoot, man. I have songs about that. Replay Millionaire. Hindsight Hustler. It is what it is. Yep. Very true. Very true. All right, guys. But that's the show. I do greatly appreciate everybody. Thank you so much for smashing the like. Once again, we're going to be on later tonight at our regularly scheduled time, 9 p.m. Eastern. And then tomorrow, I probably won't do a bonus stream. But Wednesday, I will definitely do a bonus stream, God willing, at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard, right after the, because I'm with CCM Mondays and Wednesdays at 11 a.m. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. Hopefully, do we enter any trades today? I don't think we enter any trades. Let's see here. ICP. Do we enter that one with y'all? Yeah, we entered this one with y'all. This one, our first target hit, and we moved our stop loss. This is a video that I made is in reference to just thought process and hit our stop loss. I mean, our target again. Right now, I'm looking for a rollover. Now, I'm looking for a rollover. Now that this happened, if it goes up, we're cooked. So let me go ahead and update this since y'all are here. So what I would do now is I would move my stop loss here, I guess. I mean, it barely cover our fees, if that much. Copy. I don't want us to break above this, because now this would be strong strength, and now this is a double bottom, and then now we come up to break this, and so instead of losing money, we made money because of our target. And this one, I think we're just doing a 2x leverage. I did a 5x. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all. I always do. But this was a 5x leverage. And our first target already way down here. But this one, we're going to move our stop loss. Then just protect ourselves. All right, that's all I got, guys. I do thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, as always, be careful with all these fakesters and fraudsters out there. And once you learn how to trade, it's easier to spot. So if you can't spot them, don't worry. Keep on learning. We're learning all the time, and then you'll be able to spot. Pretty easy. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Oh, who's streaming right now? 1 o'clock. Man, I don't know who's streaming. Joe, you said bye like 3 times already. I know. Who's streaming right now? Redirect. Search. See Kyle. I like Kyle, but I think that's the guy they said that I copied from. Meet Damien. Oh, let's go to Meet Damien. I think Kyle's the one they said I copied from. It's like, dude, we see the same levels. Like, come on, man. I don't think he's the one to complain. I think the people from that group. It's like, man, I'm showing you. I have proof. I did mine like a day or 2 beforehand. That's ridiculous. Anyway. All right, so we're going to go to Meet Damien. And I do thank you guys very much. And we will see you next time. 9 p.m. Bingo Bango.